Welcome to Dose of Drawing. In this video, I will show you how to draw Butterfree. To start drawing Butterfree, I am drawing a circle for the head. After drawing the head, I'll be drawing the eyes. To draw the eyes, all you have to do is just draw another circle. As you can see, I'm doing the same thing, drawing a circle for the other eye. When I'm drawing, I like to think of shapes. Triangles, circles, rectangles, any type of shapes. It helps me draw. Now we're done drawing the eyes of Butterfree, it's time to draw the nose. The nose is going to be in between the eyes, shaped as a circle. As you can see in the image on the corner, you can see that Butterfree has teeth. To draw the teeth, all I have to do is just draw two small triangles along with the nose. In some areas of the video, I'm going to speed it up because I erased and do some detail work. Alright, once we're done drawing Butterfree's head, I'm moving on to the body. Starting on this side of the head, I'm drawing a curved line, and on the other side I'm drawing also another curved line. With the two lines that we just draw connected together to make the body. After drawing the body, I'm drawing the foot. To draw the foot, I'm drawing two lines at the end of the body and connecting it together to make it rounded. For the other foot, it's going to be different from the image that you see in the corner of the video. I'm drawing the other foot in an upward motion, so I'm drawing a line on top at the end of the body and connecting it to make it into a rounded shape. You can draw the same thing as me, or you can draw the same image that you see on the side of the screen if it's easier for you. I just speed up the video to draw the other hand. For this hand, all you need to do is just draw a curved line and try to imagine the fingers as the letter E or the number 3. I like to think of it as a bubble letter E. As you can see, I'm drawing the antennas. To draw the antennas is going to be a curved line connected to the head, and at the end is going to be a small rounded oval. For the other antenna, is the same thing, a curved line with a small circle or oval at the end. Wow, we're halfway through drawing Butterfree. Now it's time to draw the wings. Drawing the wings is pretty difficult, so I'm going to try to explain it as best as I can. At any time of the video, you can pause it or go back if I'm going too fast. So earlier I made a curved line connecting it to the head, and now I'm rounding the curved line to make the shape of the wing. From there, I'm drawing the line and connecting it to the body. Once we're done drawing the top of the wing, it's time to draw the bottom of the wing. Starting at the bottom of the feet, I'm making a small line, and at the top of the wing, at the middle, I'm drawing another line and connecting it together. We got one side of Butterfree's wing, now it's time to draw the other side. In the middle of the head, I'm drawing a straight line up and curving it outwards to create the wing shape. As you can see, I'm curving the line down inwards to the body. At the end of the top wing, I am drawing a small line. Now imagine that small line going through the leg, but I'm not drawing it through the leg, I'm just drawing it following along. And after that, I'm drawing another line at the bottom of the body and connecting it off. At the top of the left wing, I'm following a line of the shape of the wing. Okay, right here I'm drawing a curved line to create the accent of the wing inside. Then following along with a straight line connecting it to Butterfree's head. As you can see at the corner, I'm drawing the detail work of Butterfree's wing, the lines. You can draw the lines evenly spaced out. There are about 5 or 6 lines for Butterfree. So this part you can see that I speed up the video to save some time. I added all the lines and I curved the wings to make more defined. Moving to the bottom of the wing is also the same as the top. Draw a line to the bottom following the wing. At this corner, I'm drawing a straight line diagonally and curving it out and drawing another straight line at this end and connecting it together. At this end, I'm drawing a straight line for the detail of Butterfree's bottom wing. For me, I drew 4 lines evenly spaced. Now it's time for the other wing. At the top, I drew a curved line and drawing a straight line going to Butterfree's head. Just like the other wing, I'm drawing the lines. There are going to be 6 lines, and I'm going to space it out evenly. Alright, we're almost done. It's going to be the last wing and then you're done drawing Butterfree. Like the other wings, draw a curved line following the shape of the wing and sort of at the middle, draw another curved line and connecting it together. Okay, once you're done with that, draw 2 lines diagonally down following the wings that you just drew, and then draw another line next to it. After that, you can finish it off with detail work and you're done drawing Butterfree. For the rest of the video, I'm going to put a time lapse of me outlining and coloring Butterfree.